In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change card on App Store. By the end, you'll know how to add a new payment card and set it as your default for App Store and iTunes purchases, all from your iPhone. Start by opening the Settings app. This is where all your device and account controls live, so it's the best place to manage payment details. At the very top of Settings, tap your name and profile picture to open your Apple ID settings. You'll know you're in the right place if you see sections like iCloud, subscriptions, and media and purchases. Next, choose Payment and Shipping. If you're prompted to confirm your identity, go ahead and enter your Apple ID password or use Face ID or Touch ID. This security check is normal and helps ensure only you can make changes to your payment methods. You'll now see a list of all payment methods currently linked to your Apple ID. These are used across the App Store, iTunes, in-app purchases, and any active subscriptions. It's helpful to quickly scan this list so you know what's on file and what you're about to replace or update. To add a new card, tap Add Payment Method. You have two ways to enter your details. You can type them in manually, card number, expiration date, and security code, or use your iPhone's camera to scan the card, which usually fills in the details for you automatically. Take a moment to make sure the billing name and address match what your bank has on file. Mismatched information is a common cause of declined payments. Once the card is added, set it as your default. You can drag the new card to the top of the list or select it as the primary payment method if that option is shown. Placing it first ensures future purchases are charged to the new card. If you still see the old card being used, double-check the order and make sure the new one is at the top. From this point on, all App Store and iTunes charges, including subscriptions and in-app purchases, will use your new default payment method. If you don't see the change reflected right away, give it a moment, ensure you have a stable internet connection, and consider closing and reopening the App Store. In some cases, your bank may place a temporary authorization to verify the card. And that's it. You've successfully added a new card and set it as your default payment method on your Apple ID. If this tutorial helped, remember to like the video and subscribe for more straightforward App Store tips and tutorials.